Heyo everyone, I'm going to be doing a little series where I'd like to fall in love with some property I know I will never be able to afford. We're going to be looking into the most expensive houses in each state that's currently up for sale. The rules for this are simple. It has to be a building, not just land for sale. No, here's a single island. It has to be a building. Then I'll be showing you the inside of it and talking a little bit about it. I will be doing this alphabetically as well, so without further ado, let's delve into the most expensive buildings in each state. Number 1, we have Alabama. Nothing says cousin love like buying a $17 million house on this beautiful lakeside property. Behold the Sugar Creek Trophy Farm, Alabama's crown jewel at a cost of $17 million. Nestled on a jaw-dropping 2,145 acre playground, this isn't just a property, it's a world-class hunting and fishing compound with its very own 170 acre Bass Lake. Outdoor kitchens, bathhouse with 3 slips, and enough trophies to even make Bambi jealous. The main lodge for this sleeps 25 to 30 lucky guests in its 13 bedroom, 14 bath layout. And don't even get me started on the protein-fed white-tailed deer and 8-foot game fencing, all for your private safari vibes. I personally am not a hunter, but it does sound pretty cool to at least nature watch. It has its own drivable roads, as well as 2 miles of underground power, plus a shop/apartment combo, so yeah, you can actually live here. And for number 2, we have Alaska. If you ever wanted to live on yet another lakeside property with the ability to watch the Aurora Borealis, i.e. the Northern Lights, then here's a house for you if you're actually able to afford it. Welcome to the Second Star, a $9.5 million Alaskan fortress that screams, I'm rich, rugged, and probably live here full time. This 17,000 square foot lodge perches on 2.5 oceanfront acres overlapping Kachmak Bay. A lot of the walls are made with actual windows, letting you spy on seals, otters, and whales while sipping on your morning coffee. With a whopping 7 bedrooms, 12 bath, and space for about 30 guests, this baby doubles as a premier wedding retreat venue, complete with a spa wing, indoor pool, Turkish bath, infrared sauna, steam room, and even a hidden candy shop and theater for post-ceremony guilty pleasures. Oh, and if your inner pan is calling, there's a 2,000 square foot top floor Neverland replica with a pirate ship and secret hiding spots. Because why slum in reality when you can kidnap your friends on a pretend cruise? And now for number 3, we have Arizona. Just like the T, there's no lake. Wait, what? I said something that was just so dumb but sounded so good in your head. Just a heads up, I didn't know until after I finished with almost everything that this is concept art. I won't be doing this going forward, however, I'm keeping it in for this video. Anyway, welcome to Paradise Valley's crown jewel, Starlight, a $50 million masterpiece that probably replaced a whole mountain just to make room for it. Spread over nearly 17,000 square foot and a sprawling 2.9 acre Camelback Mountain front lot, this futuristic fortress has 6 beds, 9 baths, and a panoramic views that whisper, yes, I live here above everyone else. Designed by award-winning SAOTA, I don't know what that is, but with cantilevered platforms that look like they defy gravity, because why not have your living room floating mid-air? It also has a 7-car show garage, a walk-in wine cellar, 68-foot glass-bottom infinity pool, and even a built-in wellness center so you can go zen after screaming at your stock portfolio. The takeaway from all of this, if you've got an extra $50 million and absolutely hate boring homes, here's your dream. The rest of us, we just get a drool over it and maybe buy a lottery ticket. And number 4, we have Arkansas, i.e. Arkansas. If you're a rich ass who absolutely hates modern houses and instead want to rock your overgrown beard, drink some beer, and murder hundreds of ducks for no good reason other than make yourself feel good about how much of a man you are, then let me tell you, this listing has more dead ducks in it than it does actually the house itself. I won't be showcasing the decks as I'm not sure the YouTube's policy for that, but nonetheless, the link for that and also all of these houses will be in the description below so you can check out how many dead ducks are actually in this photo. Alright, grizzled duck hunting bros, feast your eyes on the $16.9 million fortress / floodplain slaughterhouse on over 1,013 acres of prime duck real estate. It has 6 bedrooms, 3 baths, but who cares? You're not sleeping indoors, you're out there, beer in hand, blasting quackers at sunrise in the so-called duck and rice capital of the world. Is that a thing? This isn't a modern mansion. It's more like a Unabomber's hunting retreat, built to keep you in camo and keeping your vermins dead. The real star, the 617 acres of tillable rice/soybean fields, irrigation wells, reservoirs, and ditches, all primed for maximum duck carnage. Basically, it's part farm, part shooting gallery, and part I hate indoor plumbing survivalist fantasies. And all at a price that'll make you wonder if those ducks are even worth it. Alright, and number 5 we have, last but not least, California. Actually, it's California, so it's, as a state, it is in fact the least. The top for this house is a rundown shack that would run you $430 million, and it has 2 pictures on it. I think it has to be a joke, but it's California, so who actually knows? Nonetheless, I'm going to go ahead and go with the runner-up, which is a $177 million house. Brace yourself, because Villa Sienna in Bel-Air is going to drop your jaw. This 35,000 square foot beast sits on 1.2 acres above the Bel-Air Country Club, your own slice of LA Sky real estate. Inside is 8 bedrooms, up to 25 bathrooms, who needs privacy, and ultra luxe features including a retractable stargazing roof over the primary suite. Yes, you can Netflix with the stars. There is a gym/spa with plunge pools and hydrotherapy, a cinema, a bar, and an auto gallery that doubles as a jazz lounge for 6 car models. You'll need a valet just to find your ride. The aesthetic blend for this house is teak, stone, fire, and water. That epic floating bronze staircase over a reflecting pool, pure architectural flex. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm only 5 out of 50 states done for the series, so if you like it and would love to see more of this content, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell icon so you're always notified when I make videos, which by the way, I upload them every Wednesday at 12 p.m. EST. It helps out a ton. Thanks again, and as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day.